Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can find your lost or stolen phone with Find My Device. So go to Google on your homepage here and you want to search up Find My Device. And then on Find My Device, you want to click on this one by Google, click on Find My Device, and then you'll have to sign in with your Google account. Make sure the Google account you're signing onto is the same Google account you signed into on your lost or stolen phone. Click on Sign In and then click on Accept. Now in here, you'll see that you can pick which devices you can find. I'm not going to click on any of these because if I do, I'm going to basically dox myself, right? But let me zoom in here. You can see if I click on this device right here, for example, you can see it'll say contacting devices. And then you'll see that it can do a couple of things. For example, play sound, secure device, and also factory reset device. And if you can see on top here, it's also showing the point on a Google map place. It's blurred out because I don't want to dox myself. But by using this, you can either play a sound and then track your stolen phone. You can secure the device, which will lock up your phone. Or if you think that you can't get it back and it's basically gone, the least you can do is also factory reset the device. So the thief or whatever place you stole it, you lost it on, won't have anyone prying through your data. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.